Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to this beautiful beach here, right? Let's check out the beach. Let's check out the water quality. Can you go swim here at the moment? Even though the weather app says everyday rain, it's very, very interesting. I don't understand why. The weather app, it says everyday rain. It might rain at some point, but I mean, this here also does not look like hardcore clouds or something. We have all around Da Nang, we have clouds. It's cloudy, but actually prettier even if it's cloudy. It's insanely hot at the moment. It's crazy hot. The UV from the sun is probably also very strong, so be very cautious about that. Two things have to be very, very cautious when you come to Da Nang in this high summer and late summer season. You need to hydrate a lot, very important. Not only water. If you're a hipster, put some salt and lime into the water, or get electrolytes without sugar, so don't get sick from that. But yeah, get some electrolytes, or of course, get a beautiful 40,000 dong, $1.20, $1.30 coconut on the beach here. I also asked the vendors today, everything is still the same price, guys. The beds are still 40,000 dong. The beer is 30,000 dong, so $1 and something. And it's very, very affordable to go here to the beach the whole day. You have very beautiful water quality here. It's very nice. It's a little bit wavy. That's why also the lifeguards cut out a little bit the beach part, right? And other than that, it's perfect. The jet skis are out there again. At the moment, there's no paragliding, I think, because of the waves. But it is surfing a little bit. You have, of course, the Kala Kala over there, which is also a very nice alternative if you want to just go to sunbathe, because you just have to buy drinks there at the moment. I don't know how it will be in the future. But yeah, also lots of space there, nice couches, lounges. Yeah, this is usually where they start the paragliding or sailing. I'm not sure what the real word is, sailing or gliding. Let's check it out, guys. It's also the prices, guys. Parasailing, okay, my mistake. It's parasailing. I'm not sure if this lady is using the jet skis to rescue. I don't think so. So, false advertisement, guys. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. So there's no real update here in between. There should be a big construction site soon, but not at the moment. So if you're booking Yarra Ocean, I don't think you're gonna hear it because there's a whole building in between. Now, here you might hear it because lots of hotel rooms on Holiday Beach are towards that. Especially the cheaper ones are towards this side, and the more expensive ones are on the front and on the corner with the beautiful ocean view. But as you can see, it is, yeah, very nice here. You only have some pigeons over here eating something. I'm not sure what they're doing. Huh. But other than that, this is how the weather is today. We have very clear view to the Sontra Peninsula, which is a very good sign with the air quality. You have beautiful beach beds here. We're gonna take a stroll a little bit towards the Antung area and see what's new there. So here is the Holiday Beach part. It's the Holiday Beach Hotel. It's also connected with the only underground passage to the beach. Yeah, this is how it looks today. Very calm and beautiful. Also, the main tourist season is also over now. We have now September, and in September it's not that full anymore. The hotel prices also went down, and yeah, restaurants and everything. But here's the thing. So the main tourist season is over, but there's still, of course, lots of expats here or long-term people from all around the world. But as you can see, like it's very, very busy. I don't think so anymore, because also the school vacation is over. So families, usually don't travel now to Da Nang. I think in almost all countries. I think Germany, at least my city in Germany, has 2 more weeks of summer vacation for the children. But yeah, I think in Vietnam it's over. Vietnam school season has started, I believe. And many places in the world as well. The night market is sadly not yet really busy or doing anything inside. There's one restaurant that is pretty busy, Cherba. I think it's Eastern European. Lots of different cuisines in there. Russian, Azerbaijan, Uzbek, Vietnamese, that's it. I can imagine there are beautiful dumplings there. Or the pilmeni thing, or what it called, it's beautiful. I think there's another restaurant called Food with Love. This is also very nice. I really like these dumplings. But I'm on a diet now, so no dumplings for me, guys. This is Antung 1. Lots of hotels here, also affordable, which is very close to the beach. I reviewed actually all of them. You can check it out on my main channel, Social Semi. Yeah. This was one Panini store. Now it changed into a mart, into a convenience store and an Indian restaurant. I'm wondering if these are 2 Indian restaurants or if they belong together. Haveli and Punjabi Haveli. So I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. Do you know? Does it belong together? Oh. So now, let me know in the comments what season is now. I think in Australia, does it start now to become warmer? Is the summer or spring starting now? Let me know in the comments, please. In the Western world, it's end of summer. For me in Germany, it's beautiful in September, I feel. The last days of warm weather, but you know what? I haven't been there for so long, so I'm not really sure. So let me know, where are you from and how's the weather right now and what season is there, right? What about South Africa? What do you have now? What kind of season? That also interests me, because now it's September. Is it fall or spring or, yeah. Or do you have even that? Or is it like summer and winter? The Butcher Grilled. Nice place still. They still have, I think, the best Egg Benedict deals here. At the moment it's 89k, 89,000 dong for Egg Benedict. The English breakfast is 109,000 if I'm not wrong. I think it's 10,000 more than it was before. The 2 ATMs here. Wow. I really like those big trees here. I think the trees are beautiful. It's not that hot now. It's like I actually want that they plant more trees in between everything. We need more trees, guys. First of all, I think the trees also take away noise pollution to the housing. And of course, it gives you nice shade here, which is very important right now. You don't want to get sunburned here. Oh, wow, guys, my God. Marcus already drooling over that. Brouhaha. I filmed it for you guys. This is in this street. Follow the street, 400, 500 meters on the right side on the corner to Mai Tuk Lan Street. Brouhaha. And they have craft beer and Brazilian barbecue. And what do I see here? Buffet is 350,000 dong. That's, if this is good meat, this is gonna be huge. It's gonna be very nice, guys. Absolutely. Kala Kala has advertisement here too. This is also the vibe at the moment. Very calm, everything, right? I really like it. What time do we have now? So I can give you a correct vibe check. It's 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m. guys. This is the vibe check at 10 a.m. in September. Yeah, looks good. Recycling here. It's sadly not perfect, everything, but yeah, it's good. Everything is nice and neat here. It's good. Of course, it's not like Japan or something, but it's good. Here in this neighborhood, they really take care of that. Oh, look at this VF8. And Motor City, man, I still have to try out this Detroit-style pizza one day. But, guys, Semi is on the diet, so thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here, and see you in the next walk.